Today I'm going to try my luck at MIG welding aluminum. I've never done it besides a little test thing. I've got a new welder that my brother-in-law Ron hooked me up with, a new supplier for the company he works for. So it wasn't free, but it is a very nice welder, and it's welds. It's a TIG welder, a MIG welder, and a stick welder, which I'll probably never use, and come with a aluminum spool gun that I just now, for the first time ever, tested it, hooked it up, made sure it's working right. There's my test weld. I honestly don't know if that's good or bad, but it seems to have penetrated well and looks like it's supposed to. So I've got a damaged wheel. You can see right there. This is an old turbine, I guess you would call it, wheel from probably the 70s or 80s. It's got a big old chunk messed out of it. So I'm going to see if I can repair it and grind it and polish it and make it look right. So everybody comment on how good or bad you think I done, and make sure to like and subscribe. And if you don't like it, then you're going to hurt my feelings and I might cry. So I'm going to clean it first, and then we'll see what happens. Looks clean. Think it's clean enough? I guess we'll find out. Wow, I guess that thing's not fireproof. I don't know, I think it may need a little more, but let's see if we can clean it up a little. Well, it looks pretty good. Yeah, let me get something else that's a little less aggressive. Now, I'm pretty impressed with that for my first time for sure. A little hole there. I don't know whether to mess with trying to get that cleaned up or not. Yeah, let's clean the face a little and we'll go from there. It's definitely closer, but not quite there. Still got pits in it, and I need that one filled and that one filled. That's a lot, isn't it? Seems pretty splattery, but I don't know if it's supposed to be that way. It's nothing like welding steel, I know that. Still don't know if I got it. Still got one right there. Pretty bad one, don't it? I think I need to do a little more. Ground too deep there, and there's a hole. I need to put a little spot right there. I think that's acceptable. You can kind of see it a little. I think it's okay. I know, I don't want to hear it. I don't think it's worth doing any more filling. Well, it's definitely not perfect, but I think it's good enough. Alright, I think that's all I'm going to do. So you can see it right there. It's a little bit porous. I don't know why. My assumption is I maybe didn't get it clean enough. I don't know, but I'm pretty happy with that for my first time doing it. So y'all let me know what you think in the comments. Like it, even if you don't think I did a good job, and subscribe. And for all those professional welders out there, y'all are welcome to comment and give me some pointers for the next time. Thanks.